Specific problem. The system experiences delays in processing and fulfilling customer orders, causing dissatisfaction among customers who expect timely deliveries. This could be due to inefficiencies in order processing workflows or inadequate coordination with suppliers. Brianna's Mushroom Shop faces challenges in obtaining real-time visibility into the activities and inventory levels of their suppliers. This lack of transparency can lead to difficulties in anticipating potential delays or issues in the supply chain. The reliance on manual data entry in the supply chain system results in errors such as typos, incorrect product codes. These errors can lead to shipping the wrong products, billing discrepancies, and overall operational inefficiencies. General objective. The overarching objectives of implementing a web-based supply chain management system for Brianna's Mushroom Shop are to optimize operational efficiency, improve customer satisfaction, and ensure a seamless and transparent flow of goods through the supply chain. This involves enhancing inventory management, streamlining order processing, and fostering better collaboration with suppliers. The system aims to leverage technology to minimize errors, improve demand forecasting, and provide a foundation for effective communication with both customers and suppliers. Additionally, the integration with e-commerce platform seeks to broaden the market reach, ultimately contributing to increased sales opportunities and overall business growth. Specific objective: synchronize and maintain accurate inventory levels between online and physical systems. Implement real-time tracking to prevent stock out or overstock situation. Streamline order processing workflows for timely fulfillment of customer orders. Establish transparent communication channels with suppliers for real-time visibility. Enhance collaboration to proactively address the potential supply chain issues. Minimize errors caused by manual data entry in the supply chain system. Implement automation to enhance accuracy and reduce operational inefficiencies. Utilize analytics and machine learning for more accurate demand forecasting. Optimize inventory level based on historical data, market trends, and customer behavior. And lastly, switching from SMS notification to a chat support system can improve website efficiency. Scope: implementation of a real-time inventory tracking system to ensure accurate and synchronized inventory levels. Automation of restocking processes to prevent stockouts and overstock situations. Streamlining order processing workflows to minimize delays and ensure timely fulfillment of customers' orders. Integration of a communication portal to facilitate effective coordination with suppliers for smoother order processing. Creation of supplier visibility dashboard for real-time insights into supplier activities, inventory levels, and potential issues. Implementing a chat support system instead of SMS notification will enhance the user experience by providing a more convenient way to get help on the website.
Limitation. Data accuracy. The system effectiveness depends on precise data input by the staff. Errors in sales or inventory data entry can result in inaccuracies. Initial setup. Implementing the system may require a considerable investment of time, including staff training to maximize its utility. Cost. Developing or procuring a customized system can be a significant expense, with ongoing costs for maintenance, updates, hardware dependency. Integration with POS hardware means that the system functionality may be constrained by the capabilities of the hardware in use. Internet dependency. In some instances, certain feature of the system may rely on internet connection, potentially posing a limitation in areas with unreliable internet access. Legal compliance. Adhering to relevant laws and regulation is essential, particularly when the system handles customer data or products subjects to age restriction. Data security. Protecting customer and financial data is critical, as breaches can result in legal and reputational consequences. Customization. Out-of-the-box solution may require additional customization to meet unique requirements. Compatibility. Compatibility issue may arise when integrating the system with the other software or hardware. Vendor dependence. If a proprietary system is purchased, dependence on the vendor for support and updates may be consideration. Training. Ongoing training staff is essential for effective system usage, especially in the context of employee turnover. Chat support. This research will be limited to a specific website and its user base. Chapter 2, Conceptual Framework. In the ever-evolving landscape of business operation, the web-based supply chain management system serves as pivotal tool for streamlining and optimizing supply chain processes. This system encompasses key components including the initiative user interface for various stakeholders, centralized data management, procurement and sourcing optimization, inventory and warehouse management, efficiency, order fulfillment, supplier collaboration, and robust analytics. The functionalities of a web-based supply management system revolve around seamless interconnectivity, strength security measures, scalability, integration capabilities, customization, and adaptability to meet the dynamic demands of different industries. By providing a user-friendly interface accessible through web platforms, web-based supply chain management system brings together the intricate web of supply chain processes, fostering enhanced connectivity and accessibility for the stakeholders. Its robust data management, procurement optimization, inventory control, and logistic enhancement are complemented by the features of as analytics and reporting. The system ensures effective decision making through data driven insights, foster agility and adaptability to address market fluctuation. This concept this conceptual framework delineates the foundational elements of a web-based supply chain management system, reflecting its pivotal role in modern chain optimization and operational excellence. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. In today's fast-paced business environment, effective supply chain management is crucial for the success of any business. With the rise of e-commerce and online shopping, web-based supply chain management system have become increasingly popular. This paper will discuss the methodology for the implementing a web-based supply chain management system for Brianna's Mushroom Shop, a small business but specializing in organic mushroom.
Chapter 3, Research Methodology Background. Brian's Mushroom Shop is a family-owned business that has been operating for over 20 years. They have a loyal customer base and have recently expanded their operation to include online sale. However, with the increase in order and the need to manage inventory and deliveries, the current manual system is no longer sufficient. Therefore, the management has decided to implement a web-based supply chain management system to streamline their operation and improve efficiency. Chapter 4, Result and Discussion. Brianna's Mushroom Shop has been significantly improved operational efficiency and, capabilities after implementing a web-based supply chain management system. Brianna's Mushroom Shop has efficiently cut stock out, lowered carrying costs, and increased order fulfillment speed, resulting in higher customer satisfaction. The system's sophisticated analytics and reporting features enable Brianna's Mushroom Shop to make data-driven and decision about inventory replenishment, supplier management, and pricing strategy. All of all of which contribute to overall business growth and competitiveness. However, continual monitoring and adjustment are required to ensure that the SMS system remain aligned with changing business demand and industry trends, hence extending its benefits over time. Efficiency percentage. Before SMS, 10% and after SMS, 40%, and the increase 30%. Chapter 4, Project Description. The project goal is to create and install a sophisticated web-based supply chain management system designed exclusively for Brianna's Mushroom Shop. The system will address major issues for the shop, such as inefficient inventory management, disconnected procurement process, and restricted insight into a supply chain. The web-based supply chain management system will streamline operations, optimize inventory levels, and improve overall efficiency by combining sophisticated technology and specialized solution. Brianna's Mushroom Shop is getting a new, more reliable and time-efficient web-based supply chain management system. The system will fix problems like messy inventory, disconnecting ordering, and poor visibility. By using advanced tech, the system will improve efficiency and optimizing inventory levels.